You know what's crazy? Most people spend thousands of dollars preparing for a hurricane. Water, food, batteries, but nobody talks about the thing that actually changes your life the moment the power goes out: electricity. Because when the grid fails, your fridge stops running, your Wi-Fi disappears, your phone starts dying, and suddenly your entire house feels different. But what if your power went out and you didn't even notice? This is the new Jackery HomePower 3600 Pro Max.
ATS performance at MTS pricing.
And after testing it, I think it might be one of the smartest backup power solution Jackery has ever made. When most people think about home backup power, they usually think about two options: a loud gas generator or a permanently installed battery system that costs thousands of dollars. The problem is neither option is ideal. Generators are noisy, they need fuel, and when the storm hits, you're outside connecting everything in the rain. The second option isn't great either, because installation costs can be painful. That's where the HomePower 3600 Pro Max is trying to do something different. It's designed to give you automatic backup power without requiring the massive investment that normally comes with it. The first thing I noticed is how compact this thing actually is. For a unit capable of powering major appliances and supporting both 120 volt and 240 volt devices, it's surprisingly manageable. On the front, you've got your display, USB ports, standard AC outlets, and around the side, you've got expansion connections, charging ports. Everything feels clean and purpose-built, like something designed to live inside your home instead of hiding away in a garage. Now, this is the feature that separates it from most portable power stations: automatic backup. Normally, if your house loses power, you have to manually switch over to backup power. But with the HomePower 3600 Pro Max connected, the Jackery systems change to battery backup automatically. The power goes out and everything keeps running. You don't have to run outside. You don't have to scramble around. It simply takes over. You won't even notice it. And because the switchover happens in under 10 milliseconds, devices like computers and sensitive electronics don't even notice the shift. Honestly, that's the moment this product finally clicked for me, because backup power isn't really about having electricity. It's about not interrupting your life. Let's talk capability. This unit delivers up to 4,000 watts of output. And unlike many portable power stations, it supports both 120 volt and 240 volt devices. That means your refrigerator can be connected to that, your TV, your fans, and even larger equipment like power tools and pumps. What's especially nice is that you don't need to separate devices. You don't need to manage a bunch of stuff. It's just one system plugged into your MTS setup and it does the rest. The base unit starts with about 3.6 kilowatt hours of storage, which is already enough for a lot of emergency situations. But the real story is scalability, because if you need to grow, this system can expand way up to 43 kilowatt hours. That moves this from a portable power station to a whole home backup system. Whether you're covering a few essential circuits or trying to keep large sections of your house running during an extended outage, this system does the job. One thing I genuinely appreciate about modern battery like this system right here is silence. And this one is rated below 30 decibels and quiet charging mode. That's quieter than most conversations, quieter than a lot of air conditioners, and dramatically quieter than a gas generator, which means this can sit inside your home while you sleep and you'll barely know it's there. Another area where Jackery is putting a lot of emphasis is longevity. Inside of it is a Life PO4 battery system rated for 6,000 cycles. That's paired with a projected lifespan of 16 years and a 5-year warranty. When you're buying something designed for emergencies, reliability matters more than almost anything else, because the entire point is having confidence that it'll work after years. Charging it is fast too. Through high-speed charging, the HomePower 3600 Pro Max can be charged in as little as 1.5 hours. You can also recharge it using solar panels, vehicle charging, generator charging, and several other methods depending on your setup. Then everything can be monitored through the Jackery app. Battery status, power usage, charging schedules, and even time of use settings that can help reduce electricity costs over time. Honestly, if you live somewhere like Florida, Texas, or where outages aren't a question of if, but when, this makes a lot of sense. The biggest selling point is the fact that when the grid goes down, the system takes over automatically. The best backup system isn't the one that saves the day, it's the one that makes sure your day never changes in the first place. This is the Jackery HomePower 3600 Pro Max, and it might be one of the most practical home upgrades you can make before the next storm arrives. I'm Sebastian from TechUtopia. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, so go ahead and grab your Jackery HomePower 3600 Pro Max today.